0.006 times 4.113 in standard form is, we have 0.006 times 4.113. This will simply be equal to, performing this multiplication by making use of a calculator, it simply gives us 0.02467. We are to write this number 0.024678 in standard form. This will simply be equal to, that means we are to express this number in the form a times 10 to the power n, where a lies between 1 and 10 as such, and then n belongs to the set of integers like this. For us to get our a in this number, we are going to fix a decimal point immediately after the first known zero digit of the number. The first known zero digit of the number 0.024678 is 2. We fix a decimal point after this 2, that is between 2 and 4. This will give us 2.4678 times 10 to the power. Now we have to get the power of 10. For us to get the power of 10, we are simply going to count the number of digits that are found between the original decimal point, which is this, and the new decimal point. Counting the number of digits, we are to start counting from the new decimal point. We have a 2 and this 0. You see that the counting is done to the left. That means the power of 10 will be negative. We have 2 digits to the left, so this will simply give us 10 to the power negative 2. Therefore, 0.006 times 4.113 in standard form is simply equal to 2.4678 times 10 to the power negative 2. We underline the answer.